DIY garage. Do it yourself. DIY. Hey, welcome to Pimp My Ride DIY edition. So today we had a customer bring in a 1998 Toyota Corolla, and he's going to have us do a hubcap change for him. So we've got the standard issue hubcap right on the rim here, and we're just going to pop that right off and take it into the shop and see what we can do with it. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're back in the shop now. We got the hubcap here, and step one's going to be working on popping these rings off. And we're going to get those all nice and squared up so we can get her right back on the car. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so yeah, here I'm just going to be, you're going to see me cleaning up these rims real nice so the paint's going to be able to stick to it there once we get into the painting process. Let's see, after this I'm going to be struggling a little bit here trying to cut these tabs off that are going to be holding these rings, and we'll just get to popping them right off.
That was tough. So now that our hoops are off, we're going to start working on our mounting mechanism. So our idea is we're going to take this block of wood. It's going to be sitting up right against the tire. Alright. These are industry standard axles. We're going to run it through the board, attached to this mounting hub. And it's going to be attached to the hubcap right there. And this is where we'll get the spinning action from. And we're kind of just going to go from there. So I'm trying to get this hole right in the center of the hubcap so we have a nice even spin all the way around. So I went ahead into the tool chest, grabbed out one of these stabbers, and I'm just going to have it pretty even. Now, when working with heavy machinery, you always got to use eye protection. Like my dad always said, don't use the saw. Wrap up your cords so you don't get wrapped up in a problem. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give her a test spin. That's pretty straight. We're going to have one happy customer. We're in the paint booth now, and we're going to give these old colors a good old spruce up. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm just putting the finishing touches here on the rim, and I think that about does it. Alright, now we've got both of them done here, so while these are out here drying, we're going to go continue working on the mount. Out with the old, and in with the new. And there you have it, folks. Let's go for a spin. Alright, well, thanks for sticking with us. That's going to do it for this episode of Pimp My Ride DIY. Hope you guys learned a lot. I know I did, and I know we got one happy customer. See you in the next episode.